Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris and I hope you're doing well today. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video. Today, y'all, we're gonna do a little flashback from Pride Month. It's the last video of my Pride Month. I did a review on some items from Zatchels.com for Pride Month. They had some really nice bags. And I wanted to do a little bit of a follow-up video because I had an issue with one of the bags. And I just wanted to share with y'all the process of contacting customer service through Zatchels.com. They are really good with their customer service. And some of these American companies can really take note from companies like Zatchel.com. So let me tell you about that. Before I do that though, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Thank y'all so much for coming back and watching my content. If you're new to my channel and you love luxury, handbags, and fashion as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely hop on over. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff there as well. For everything else, Mad Hatter, check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there, shopping links, discount codes, and you can also shop my Depop closet and my personal Mercari closet there as well. So check those out. And also, if everybody could just stop before you leave, if you enjoy this video, and please give my video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow, and I've had some really low views lately. I don't know what's going on with the YouTube algorithm, but most of my videos lately are only getting about 300 views. So y'all please give me a thumbs up. It does help the channel to grow, and it helps to push out this video so everybody else can see it as well and be able to help me continue my channel. So y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. I do appreciate y'all. So let me tell you a little bit about the Zatchels.com. Now I got two bags. I'll show you the bags. So the first one here is the sugar cube. This is the large sugar cube here. And you can go back, I'll link the video for the original review. It was the last day of Pride, this last June. And I did the review on this one and the other tote that I got, but you didn't really see it in the video. And it had a small cut that I found later on the side here. I'll just see if I can show you, but it's right down in here. You may be able to see it in the light. It's very faint. And it didn't actually come through the leather on the bag, but I'll put up some pictures so you can see on the inside, but it just looked like somebody nicked it with a razor or something like that. It wasn't a really big deal, and you know, I could have just kept the bag, but this bag was special to me because it was actually engraved with me and my husband's wedding anniversary on the inside. So it was a special bag for me, and I reached out to them and they were oh so nice. They actually realized once we talked for a minute, it was a guy named Brian from their customer service, super nice. And we emailed back and forth. He was very helpful. I sent him some pictures of the bag and he was like, yeah, this is definitely not supposed to be like that. And then Brian said, hey, I just realized that you are in the United States, so you don't have to ship the bag back to us. Just keep that bag. We're gonna remake the entire bag for you and we'll ship it to you, no cost. So they did that. They also sent me some free items as well. I'll show you those. We're gonna unbox those together with the new bag. And this is the other tote that I got here. I love this one too. And just look at the beautiful bright colors on it. I will put a link in the description for the review on this bag in the description of this video, so you can go back and watch it if you want to. So y'all check that out. But let me just show y'all real quick. This is the box that it came in. It just came today, and it's been about 3 weeks since I did that review. So let's see what they sent me, because they did an awesome job at replacing it. And like I said, it was no hassle whatsoever. They were super nice, and Brian was so helpful. I really wish that some of these American companies could take note from people in the UK like this that have great customer service, because I'll just say, Coach, you know I'm talking to you. Coach and some of these other companies, all they do is give you excuses. This company actually delivered, y'all. So now some of their bags are pre-made, but these were actually handmade. They just make them as you order them, so they're made to order. And they have really great customer service. So y'all reach out and look at Zatchels.com. They have some really great stuff. And I don't know, I was just really happy. And so far, everything I've experienced with Zatchels.com has been really great. So let's open up this box here and see the really nice bag, the replacement bag, and the goodies that Brian sent me from Zatchels.com, y'all. So let's see what he got here. Now, I know what it is, but I just am happy to see my bag again. Like I said, this one was a special one to me just because it had my anniversary date and everything on it. But here is the box here. Like I said, it came fairly quick because they had to remake the bag. And like I said, it's a handmade bag that they do every time. And it comes with a certificate of authenticity there in the box. And it's got some tissue paper in it. This was one of the freebie items. I'll show you that in a moment. And then the sugar cube, it's the large sugar cube. And then the other one is just called their tote bag. So It comes in a dust bag like this, and if you watch the other video, you'll see those came in it too. So let's unbox it here. But I just wanted to give y'all an update and just let y'all know how wonderful the customer service is. So there is the bag, and let me see the other one here together. So there they are together, and I have a replacement bag, and hopefully this one is gonna be perfect and have my little monogram etching in there with our anniversary date, and I'm gonna keep this one forever. But now that I have the other bag, I can just use that one as well until it wears out, and I have 2 new bags. So thanks, Zatchels.com. All right, let's open up the new bag here, and I'm just gonna inspect it a little bit, and we'll put pictures up of the old bag and the little cut on there. It's, like I said, it wasn't a super huge deal, but I was so grateful that they reached out, because I've had some really bad quality issues with some of these other companies, and you know, a lot of them are sold out, so you can't get anything else. Okay, yeah, so this looks really good. There's no marking or anything on that bag. It looks perfect. So thank you so much, Brian, for remaking my bag. This is really special to me, and I appreciate it. And thank you so much for having such great customer service. There's the feet on the bottom, and this bag looks super, super nice. They really, really did a good job on it. Everything looks perfect on it. I can tell already the stitching looks great. Let me open it up here and I'll show you the inside here. So it does come with a cross body strap as well. And there is the engraving. It looks super crisp and clear. Let me show it to you. It just says Cooper Smith 111425 there. And there is the engraving. So thank you so much, Brian. I appreciate that. It really means the world to me. There's the interior of the bag. It has a couple of different compartments too. There's a pocket here. And I've been using the other one for work a little bit, and it fits a whole lot down in there, y'all. So really good little bag. You've got another pocket on the front here, and you have a zipper place there for stuff you can zip up. And the little clasp on it, it just closes down like this and goes in that little keyhole there, and it's locked. So I love this bag. And like I said, I've got a lot of stuff in this bag. Here, let me show you what I got in the one that I've been carrying that had the cut. All right, so there's a lot of stuff down in that bag. It really holds a lot of stuff. Dropping stuff here. All right, y'all, so that is it. And I just wanted to do an update, y'all. So thank you again so much, Brian, for remaking my little sugar cube. I love this bag, and I love all of the Pride colors on it. And they have a lot of other Pride stuff too to check out if you want to check out their website, y'all. They have some really cool stuff. Let me show you what else Brian sent me here. So he also sent me this. He just asked me, you know, what would I like? And I just picked out some stuff, and he sent it for me to review. So this is a little pouch here. It's like a little pochette. Let me open it up for you and I'll show you, but it's also in the rainbow colors. And they have some really cool stuff with different colors and different prints if you're interested. If you don't want the Pride stuff, you can definitely find something that they have. But look how nice that is, and I love the bright colors on it. It has a really nice zipper pull on top here, and you can put some stuff inside here and maybe documents or whatever you want to carry with you. Throw that inside of your bag so it would go right down inside of the tote, and it matches perfect. So I love that. And it has a little wristlet here that you can attach or not if you want to. But I love that. And the zipper's really nice on these too, y'all. And it's very, very sturdy. These have a lot of structure to them. And then secondary, we got another charm. He sent me another little rainbow charm. On the last one, he sent me, and I bought this one, the owl, the rainbow owl there, which I love so much. And then I saw this one. I thought it would be cute to have this one as well. But this is the little Pride rainbow heart that they have for Pride. Let me get it out here where you can see it. All right, there it is. And it's just a Pride rainbow, and it has a really nice clasp on it. And then on the back of it, it says engraved in there, Zatchels. All right, so that's gonna go perfect on my new little sugar cube here. Let me attach it. And look how cute that looks on the bag. So nice. All right, y'all, I love this bag, and I'm gonna order some other stuff from Zatchels eventually, and I'll see what else they have as far as maybe like a Boston bag. He was showing me some stuff that they have, because you know I love a Rowan and the Boston style bag, so I'm gonna go on there and look and see what else they can find eventually. But I'm really happy with my purchase from Zatchels.com, and like I said, I wish some of these American companies would take note from companies like Zatchels. They were wonderful, and I really appreciate you again, Brian, for helping me out with my little situation here, and y'all sticking to your quality of your product. So thank you so much. Like I said, y'all check out Zatchels.com. I will link the link in my description of this video here so you can find it, and the review of those other 2 bags that I did for Pride at the end of Pride Month for last month. So thank y'all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, thank you again, Brian, for sending me my replacement sugar cube. I love it so much. And I'm very, very happy with my purchase from Zatchels.com. So I do appreciate that again. Thank y'all for watching. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really, really need it. And I'll see y'all on my next review, okay? Bye.